Today, many companies utilize material removal processes such as CNC mills and lathes to create their products. Unfortunately, these companies sometimes struggle trying to save time and money attempting to optimize these processes. One of the main problems is that it's actually really hard to obtain information about the tool while under operation. This is due to the intense nature of the process, the fact that a lot of times it's placed in an enclosed arena, and also there's just fluids going around everywhere. So my proposed solution for this issue is to create a flexible sensor that can be placed onto the spindle, workpiece, or tool, much like a band-aid or a sticker. This sensor would record and acquire data like temperature, shock and vibe, etc. Here is a visual representation. You have your machine and you place the sensor onto it. So as it's actually spinning and cutting, we can stream live data to a smart device. This allows us to create real-time live graphs and to monitor the machine under operation. Also, we can log data for later analysis. Now the question is, where is the value in this? One area of need is with the ODMs, companies like Foxconn, Compal, and Pegatron. These companies constantly use CNC processes to build products for Apple, Microsoft, and Samsung. The CNC is a time and money sink. By using the sensor and real-time data, they can get a better understanding of what geometries and features are the most expensive ones, in terms of time, money, and the wear of the tool. Thus, they can optimize processes to save time and cost, as well as learn how to charge customers based on the type of features that they're asked to create. Also, by streaming the data straight to their smartphone, they have much more control and security over their machines and processes. Thus, during late-night shifts, they can become more efficient by knowing exactly what their machines are doing without standing over and watching each one. This could lead to more efficient third shifts, which will allow for more products to be made. So we can even expand the use of this sensor outside the realm of CNC milling. What if we took this sensor and placed it in a car? Manufacturers could get data during the duration of the engine's life, categorize this data from all over the world, and even characterize their users' driving habits. But again, how would this really benefit people? Well, for the manufacturers, they could use this data to better structure their warranties, as they would have much clearer signs and information of their failures for their engines all over the world. They could also obtain their users' driving data and use it for marketing tactics. And then on top of all that, they could learn how different climates in urban regions affect their engine performance, and thus creating design changes to accommodate those needs. On the flip side, for the customers, the manufacturers could provide more detailed maintenance notifications. Instead of just a red light that turns on, they could actually stream information using the data that they received from the sensor. For example, maybe they see that the engine temperature has been running hotter than normal for the past couple of weeks, so they could tell the user to check the coolant. Also, they could simply just provide a yearly discount on services for those who install the sensor in their car, just as a quick incentive. On top of all that, car enthusiasts could also log the data themselves for their own personal use. So really, both parties win. So in conclusion, the idea is to have a flexible sensor that can be placed on a machine or workpiece and streams live data to a smart device while cutting. It can also be used in other fields as well. So some key benefits for ODMs is that it helps them save money through optimizing cutting times. They can improve their marketing by pricing for different features for the customers, as well as increasing their control and security during late night shifts to increase their efficiency. As for the automotive manufacturers, they can restructure their warranties better with the long-term engine data that they'll receive, improve marketing tactics with their users' driving habits, as well as improve the overall design of their engines with the vast amount of engine data that they'll receive every single day. And finally, for the consumers, if they install this device, they could receive possible discounted services, obtain detailed maintenance notices from the manufacturer, and also they can view their own data if they really choose to.